For years, we've been told that the only way for men to regain their confidence, stamina, and energy is through expensive pills, risky treatments, or complicated routines. But what if I told you that a simple, natural salt trick is quietly changing everything, and big pharmaceutical companies are not happy about it? This natural method is being used by insiders in the adult film industry, professional athletes, and regular men who just want to feel strong, confident, and energized again. It works by boosting circulation, increasing stamina, and naturally enhancing performance without the dangerous side effects of mainstream drugs. Why haven't you heard about it before? Simple. Big Pharma makes billions selling chemical-filled pills that only provide temporary results. If men knew there was a completely natural and effective alternative, their billion-dollar industry would collapse overnight. I didn't believe it myself at first, but after seeing countless men report drastic changes in their energy, confidence, and performance, I had to dig deeper, and what I found was shocking. This simple salt trick helps restore what age, stress, and modern lifestyles take away. For years, this technique has been kept in the shadows, but now that it's gaining attention, the pharmaceutical giants are doing everything they can to shut it down. That's why a specialist developed Nitrox Pro, because this homemade solution is complicated and hard to get right. But be warned, whenever a natural alternative starts to gain popularity, it mysteriously disappears. If you or someone close to you needs a real change, don't wait. Stocks of Nitrox Pro are running low. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.